Slijedi reportaža o odijelu koje pomaže u poboljšanju mobilnosti, ravnoteže i cirkulacije te smanjenju spastičnosti i pomaže kod aktiviranja mišića. Odijelo mogu nositi na primjer oboljeli od multiple skleroze. Kakvo je to odijelo, pogledajte u idućoj reportaži.
Daniela od 1996. godine boluje od multiple skleroze, a posljednjih 6 godina svakodnevnica je vezana za invalidska kolica.
Obzirom da sam u kolicima istražujem sve, znači istražujem prvenstveno nešto da mi pomogne sa multiplom, znači neke terapije ili nešto bilo što da može probati, a kad sam vidjela odijelo i da je dobro za spazmove, idemo probati.
Daniela testira Exopulse odijelo koje koriste tisuće ljudi diljem svijeta.
So the Exopulse is a totally new approach to a rehabilitation or assistive device for people with disabilities. So it's a whole body garment where we have electrodes inside, 58 of them, so we can stimulate all the muscles in the body. And it's to reduce spasticity and to reduce disability.
Exopulse odijelo pomaže u poboljšanju mobilnosti, ravnoteže i cirkulacije te smanjenju spastičnosti i aktivaciji mišića.
The Exopulse is for people with MS, stroke and cerebral palsy, but it can also be used for chronic pain for fibromyalgia.
Napravljeno je od elastičnog materijala poput kupaće kostima ili sportske odjeće, a dok se nosi šalje blage električne impulse koji pomažu u opuštanju mišića i smanjenju grčeva.
Sad dok nosim odijelo osjećam trnce u gornjem dijelu tijela, noge malo slabije, ali vjerovatno ne mora se svuda osjetiti isto, ali osjetim olakšanje neko i trnci šeću.
Electrodes that are inside a suit that we don't have to have any glue or anything on them. They can just be on the skin. And then we have connections to the control unit that we attach with magnets. So, and we also have a stimulator. And of course we have to connect the stimulator to a computer to program it.
Već se ranije pokazalo da nježna stimulacija pogođenih mišićnih skupina pomaže u resetiranju mišićnih signala poremećenih zbog spastičnosti, a upravo to radi Exopulse odijelo. Njegova učinkovitost ovisi o progresu bolesti i stanju mišića.
If you, for example, not able to walk, then you can have a good relaxation, better position. Maybe you can improve your hand function, so the improvement of the shoulder and the hands, so it's easier to drink, for example. But we also see in people that can walk but have problems walking, that they can improve their walking and also improve their balance. So there's less risk of falling also. So we have also pain reduction that is spasticity related. So reducing pain from your spasticity is one of the effects. Another positive side effect is that many people can control their bladder better and also have better sleep.
Prve rezultate moguće je vidjeti već nakon prvog nošenja.
After 1 hour stimulation, we already can show that it could be beneficial for someone. So it's very quick, and that's why also just doing a test can be very, very valuable for somebody using it. When you start to use it every second day, the effect lasts also for 2 days. So after a while, the body is relaxed all of the week.
Korištenje odijela potpuno je sigurno. Ono, osim što ublažava svakodnevnu bol, olakšava fizikalnu terapiju, čime se povećava i njezina učinkovitost.
Yeah, in some cases we see that they can stop using it because they have regained the function, but this is in combination with physical therapy and a lot of work that you have to do yourself. In other cases where they have, for example, a progressive disease, we will have to use it the rest of the life because the problems of the patient will increase, so we have to be there and also help them more in the future sometimes. So we could adapt the product a little bit based on if they get worse. So, but in some cases, they can also use it a little bit less, you know, so they don't have to use it every second day. But that is something that you have to look for maybe in a year or so. So you have to use it for a while, combining it with stretching and physical therapy. You could be able to maybe in the future use it twice a week. But the recommendation is to use it every second day.
Jedna od prednosti odijela je poboljšanje kvalitete života uz značajan emotivan aspekt jer daje ponovni osjećaj kontrole nad vlastitim tijelom.